It's me, Victor, and I'm gonna introduce you to something. I got this in Timo, and yeah, I got it on Timo. My uncle bought it for me, so let's do it. First up is Freddy. Remember Freddy. And then is, wait, my feet is itchy. Alligator. I forgot his name. He has the mohawk too. He's standing upright. But you stand up like this. There's like the one chip challenge, but I've never tried it before. So let's try it. Just kidding. He also got the tail, the belt, the arms, the nose, the hickeys, the lightning bolt, the glasses, the eyebrows, in the ears, the hat, the eyebrows, the blue thing, and the red thing, in the eyes, and the eyebrows again. What the? No, the eyebrows? What? Okay, but the nose, the muslin, the mouth, where's the teeth, the bow tie, the lightning bolt, the hands, and the feet, the orange thing right here, and the white thing here. Her, and the ears too. This it has yellow and this white. It has yellow and this white. Her. The water. I'm gonna do a show. Can I? This is too close. I'm moving you far away, so you can't see me. Can I eat the child? No, bro, he's a good child. He's just a child. He's not a human that's been for here a million years. Oh, God, I'm gonna find child. If you don't like, I'll eat him. If you don't like it, or what? Go get him. Stop. You can't eat the child. You can't eat the child. How do you came alive? I don't know. Finally. I'm watching you. Eye contact. I'm back alive. How is this man back alive again and again and again? Like, what the heck? Some god. No, you're not. So yeah, I'm gonna kill you now. No. But guess what, guys? Freddy's dummy dick. Damn, bro, he's dummy dick. Damn. I mean, he's a dummy dick guy. Damn. This guy, the alligator, the dummy dick too. Damn. That dummy dick butt. Her name is eat the child. No. Yes. I'm gonna kill you right now. You're not gonna eat the child. If you kill me, it's in my stomach. Haha. Dead. I'm gonna get the child stomach. Hello, Gregory. Hey, please don't hurt me. So yeah. So, stick my butt, stick my breath. It smells like onions.